Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends to get rewarded on the Mitrate crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mitrate trading application on your device, and after you have logged into your account, in order to invite friends and get rewarded, click on the hub option at the bottom right corner. Now from here, click on Promotion Center, and within the Promotion Center page, you will be able to see various different offers. Among these, you will also find the invite friends and get up to $150 cash reward option. Just tap on this, and now this will give you a link that you can share with your friends right away. You may also tap on the copy code option or share this directly using your preferred applications. If you copy the link, then you can manually send this to your preferred user. In case you are using a demo account, you will be prompted to create your live account. You can tap on complete now in order to start using your live account right away. Once you share this link with your friends, whoever taps on the link will be able to download the Mitrate application, and once their sign up is completed, you will be given your reward right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends and get rewards on the Mitrate crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.